Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to link majority to Zelle. Now before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So in order to link majority to Zelle, what you're going to have to do is simply download the Zelle app on your phone. So you can find this on App Store or Google Play Store. And then in your Zelle app, go to Get Started and enter your phone number. When the app asks you to select your bank, simply type Action and go to Don't See Your Bank. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your email address. Once you receive a verification email, introduce the verification code in the Zelle app. Now enter your majority debit card details along with your name and address as it appears in your majority account. This is very important. Now create a password and complete the registration process, and basically that's all you have to do in order to link majority to Zelle. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.